I'm going to show you how to temper chocolate with Callebaut White. So I put it in the microwave for 45 seconds first, and then take it out and give it a really good stir. Now we're going to keep stirring that around because the chocolate cooks through the middle in a microwave, and we want to make sure all of that temperature just disperses all the way through so that you don't get any burnt parts. So when you're happy, we're going to pop that back in for another 20 seconds. And then when it comes out, we are going to keep moving it around and stirring it. But this is going to be for a minimum of 2 minutes. Now, obviously, for the purposes of you not being bored, I have cut some of this out. But as you can see, as we're going along, it is becoming more and more fluid all the time. Now, another thing is you can see that I'm using a plastic bowl. That's very important in the microwave because it doesn't conduct the heat. So make sure that happens. So when you've got to the end of your 2 minutes and you think that that is looking exactly as it should, there's only a tiny little bit of the chocolate left inside. Take the temperature. And that's at 29.6 there. And that's exactly where we want to be for the chocolate to be finished. But at this point, we need to pop it back in for another 5 or 7 seconds. So I'm going to keep stirring just to reduce that temperature back down again. Now I've been stirring for an extra minute, and now that's perfect. That is 28.6. So I know that the microwave is going to cope. I've put that back in now for another 7 seconds, as I'm really confident that the temperature isn't going to go above the 29.5, which is the top point that you want to bring this chocolate to for Callebaut White. So I'm just making sure that it's all completely melted. And then when it looks beautiful like that and runs in a stream, take your temperature again. And there we go. I'm at 29.0. We now have fully tempered chocolate. Just to check, I'm going to dip in my palette knife and pop it on the side to dry. And I'm also going to put some on some paper for you so that we can have a really good check of that. And I'll go through the snap with you in a moment, but the gloss on those is going to be stunning. And just to show you how this is, so we take this one and snap. This was the bit we did on the paper. And you can see how glossy that is. Always touch tempered chocolate with gloves. And then I can just peel this bit off. There we go. How that comes off. And that was a good snap. And that's your tempered chocolate. So that's what you're always looking for. So that's how you temper white chocolate. I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.